Hello everyone, dear friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Mia, and today I want to share with you a very simple and at the same time delicious recipe. Today we will prepare homemade grilled sausages. Let's get started. To begin with, we take fresh meat that you like and cut it into pieces of different shapes. I also want to remind you that you should be very careful when cutting so as not to injure yourself. Take care of yourself. Next, we need a piece of lard. We do the same with it. We cut it into pieces. Be sure to separate the skin and leave only the soft part. While cutting the meat, I advise you to put the grill on heating. Our future sausages can also be cooked in the oven. We put the chopped pieces of meat and lard together in one vessel, in which we will mix them later. The next step is garlic. We clean it and divide it into slices. We take a knife and carefully chop it. We finely chop the crushed garlic. Place all the chopped garlic on top of the meat. Try to cut it as small as possible. We take the dish with meat, lard, and garlic and bring it closer to us. Sprinkle all this with a mixture of salt and pepper. To your taste, you can add various spices such as cinnamon, coriander, and others. To make future sausages soft and tender, pour milk cream over the meat. The next step is to mix it all very well. Next, we take a meat grinder. In my case, it is mechanical and I need to assemble it. For sausages, we will need a small intestine. It can be purchased at a grocery store. Lubricate it with oil and pull it on the meat grinder. Try to pull it very carefully. We tie the tip of the gut into a knot. The next step is to put the mixed meat in a meat grinder. Try to stuff small pieces and rotate the meat grinder in one rhythm. Be sure to hold the sausage with your hand. At the end, we tie the sausage into a knot and twist it in the shape of a snail. Carefully taking it from the bottom, transfer it to a baking dish. I already have the grill preheated that I turned on at the beginning of the cooking, so I will use it. You need to cook until ready. You can check it with a fork or knife by making a cut on it. All we have to do is cut it and taste it. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you liked this recipe because it is very tasty and easy. Let it taste. Bye bye!